Here is an exciting opportunity to start or advance your research career. I'm looking for a research associate to establish a streamlined fabrication technology for a thin film device and associated circuits and applications. You'll be developing a brand new concept, and you'll be working with collaborators in the UK and abroad, in industry and in academia. Hi, my name is Radu Spora. I'm a senior lecturer or assistant professor in semiconductor devices at the University of Surrey in the south of England. I've recently been awarded a prestigious research fellowship, and in the next few years I'm going to be developing a new technology focused around a new transistor concept. This device has very interesting properties for analog computation, for analog signal processing, but also for anything to do with the next generation of flexible and printed electronics for wearables and for distributed sensors. The project itself is called ALPACA, which stands for a new low-complexity paradigm for analog computation and hardware learning. We've recently published a paper in which we demonstrate the basics of this technology, so if you're curious, the link will be in the description. You can have a look at what the concepts are and what are the technologies that perhaps we might use. Now I'm looking for building the right team to put these ideas into action. I'm looking for a postdoctoral researcher who will be developing the fabrication platform for the devices, the circuits, and the whole system during this project. And I'm leaning towards photolithography and vacuum processing, but I'm keeping an open mind, so anything goes as long as it's relevant to the project and it's achievable within our facilities. So of course the successful candidate will be someone who has experience in these technologies, not only in the fabrication, but also in the characterization and the measurement associated with these techniques. This should, of course, be evidenced by a strong publication record, and because you're going to be the point of contact for at least one PhD student, the usual rule applies. You should be able to demonstrate that you can work independently, but that you also have good communication skills and that you're a team player. This opportunity is meant to also advance your career, and we will be working with brand new devices with a broad applicability. So we'll publish in the best journals, and you will be expected to present the work at the best conferences in the field. And if any of this sounds daunting, remember that the university has a wide variety of training courses and a lot of support networks to make sure that you do get the training and the development that you need. The university is also highly respected in electrical and electronic engineering in the UK, but it also provides an opportunity for us to launch multidisciplinary projects with other members of staff and other research groups within the university. If you'll be joining my team, you'll be adding to the mix of diverse backgrounds and experience, which makes the group dynamic, creative, and enjoyable to belong to. We'll be using the facilities at the Advanced Technology Institute, and we'll be exposed to the wealth of expertise through my colleagues and their collaborators. We also have numerous collaborators in the UK and abroad, and within this project in particular, we'll be working with the National Physical Laboratory, the University of Cambridge, the University of Yonezawa in Japan, and the University of Rennes in France, and very possibly many other research groups that we've linked to throughout the years. In normal circumstances, there will be a very generous exchange program for staff and students, but we don't really know what's going to happen in the short term with COVID. And if you're concerned at all about the situation, just be assured that there must be some sort of flexibility in the recruitment process and in getting you started once you join, as the international situation changes, hopefully for the better. Get in touch with me if you have any questions, and if you think that this opportunity to join my team is the right next step for you, do apply through the university website, and I look forward to hearing from you.